In this tutorial, we'll learn how to share a workbook URL with persisted filter values in Oracle Analytics Cloud and Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence. Sharing a workbook URL that opens with my current filter selections applied enables consumers to see the same view of the data without having to manually reselect filters. I've built a sales analysis workbook and I'm ready to share it with my team. Before I send a link, I'll set filters for the customer segment and cities so everyone sees the same view. First, I'll apply the filter values I want to share. I want to focus on a set of Midwest cities. Instead of selecting each city one by one, I'll apply a saved state that already contains those selections. I'll select the state menu and select Midwest cities. Then I'll set the customer segment filter to consumer. Now that my filters are applied, I can reveal the insights for consumers in those Midwest cities. Next, I'll copy a link so my team can open this same filtered view. I'll select Export, where I see some different options, including a Copy Link option. Before I copy it, I'll set Apply State to Current State, so the link includes my current filter selections. Then I'll select Copy Link. If I wanted to share the workbook without my current selections, I'll choose Original State instead. To test this, I'll paste the link into a new browser tab. When the workbook opens, I can see it lands on the same filtered view, using the same customer segment and city selections. Now I'm ready to share this workbook URL with persisted values. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud and Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.